AI-powered financial tools have grown 280% in adoption since 2023. From automated budgeting to portfolio optimization, AI is making professional-level financial management accessible to everyone. Apps like Monarch Money and Copilot use AI to automatically categorize transactions, predict upcoming bills, and flag unusual spending. They learn your patterns and get smarter over time, replacing hours of manual tracking. Tools like Claude, ChatGPT, and specialized platforms can analyze financial statements, screen stocks based on criteria, and explain complex investment concepts instantly. Use them as research assistants, not decision makers. AI tax tools can now scan your financial data and identify deductions you missed, optimize your withholdings, and even estimate your tax bill in real time. This is one area where AI saves real money immediately. AI tools are assistants, not replacements for financial judgment. They can hallucinate, provide outdated information, and lack your personal context. Always verify AI recommendations before making financial decisions. Demo of 3 AI finance tools in action: automated budget categorization, stock screening with natural language queries, and AI-powered tax deduction finder. What AI tools do you use for finance? Share your favorites in the comments. Subscribe for more fintech reviews and tutorials.